Checking your engine oil is an important part of maintaining your vehicle and should be done as part of your regular maintenance routine, along with checking your tyre pressures and other fluids such as brake and coolants. The good news is that checking and topping up your engine oil is quick and easy, and in this video we'll show you how. In order to get started, make sure your vehicle is warm and parked safely on flat, level ground. Find the bonnet catch so you can then lift the bonnet. Stop the engine and wait for the oil to settle. Remove the dipstick and wipe it clean with a lint-free cloth. This step is important, otherwise you may get a false reading. Push the dipstick all the way in and wait for a second, and then withdraw it and then check the level. The oil should be between the two marks. When we look at a normal dipstick, there is normally around 1 litre between the minimum and maximum mark. Half a litre each away and you could start to cause damage to the engine or exhaust devices. Too little oil and your engine doesn't get the protection it needs. Too much oil and you can actually damage things like catalytic converters and diesel particulate filters. Now, let's say your checks indicate a top-up is required. Relax, topping up your oil is easy too. Either select the appropriate oil using your driver's handbook or by using Shell's Lube Match tool on your mobile device. Take off the oil cap located at the top of the engine and pour small amounts of oil in at a time, checking the dipstick regularly to see where it's at. The oil may take a minute or so to settle, so it's better to do a couple of pours rather than to risk overfilling. Now that you know how to check and top up your engine oil, why not consider keeping a 1 litre top up in the car to make sure that your engine gets the protection it needs until its next service. Thanks for watching and safe driving.